Right now we're doing magnet fishing near the abandoned military base. I feel there's something very heavy on the magnet. Let's see, is there anything on the magnet? What the hell? Hello everybody, that's me Danny, and today we're doing magnet fishing in a very interesting and unusual place. So, basically, at this place, this location, there was a military base that was functioning dozens of years ago, of probably like 50. And for some reason they have decided to flood it, and so this military base is now inactive. But we're here today to try to find something which can be related to that very base. So let's see what we can find. All right. Okay. A lot of algae, and that's pretty much normal for the sea. All right, I see something made of metal there. Forget about the algae, but it's a lot, of course. Okay. What is that? No way. Guys, look. That's actually a helmet. That's a military helmet, and pretty old one though. Who knows, maybe this kind of helmet was used during the World War II or something. Jeez, that's a pretty valuable find. Although it's all rusty and there's the part of it is missing, but still, this find is pretty awesome, guys. Okay, now I feel more how to say, intrigued about the finds that we can find. So let's move forward. That's a very nice start. All right. Actually, guys, you know, you all might think that it's all funny and interesting to be a part of magnet fishing, to do it, so on and so forth. But there is one thing which I hate about magnet fishing, especially in the autumn, and you will see what it is. Let me show you. It's this. You basically cannot do anything about it, and you're getting tired quicker because of that. Let's see, is there anything there? All right, I see something. What the hell? No way. Is that's an actual shell or something? Jeez, this thing is huge and heavy. I think that's a shell for some kind of a rocket launcher, some kind of an RPG or something. Like you load it up and you shoot it. So as far as I know, these things were used to take down the tanks and stuff like that, helicopters, planes. So some heavy machinery was used for that. Jeez, I hope that it's not gonna explode, and we need to be very, very careful with that. Very careful. I might want to put it down here. Yeah. All right. So I will not touch it again, and we will need to probably call somebody. I don't know, the army, military, or police, but we have to be very careful with that because nobody wants to harm themselves. All right, let's continue as if nothing happened and this thing is not gonna explode, right? Is there anything else? No, nothing in here. All right, let's go with the next throw. And so, guys, if there are any interesting places near your place, let us know in the comments. and like let us know what exactly interesting is happening there. For example, a Starlink satellite fell down near my place, or like there are animatronics walking around every day, and we will come there and we will get to know you and get to know the place, and we will try to find out if that's true or not, whether by doing magnet fishing or something else. Okay, and I feel like I've got something. There's still too much algae. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, I see something. Okay. That's not good. Let's take a look. No way. No actual way. What is that? Jesus Christ. What is that? That's a submachine gun as far as I know. Jeez, it's heavy. How do... Okay. Wasn't the best idea that I had in my mind. Okay. So, I do not remember the correct name of this thing, but if you know, let us know in the comments what the submachine gun is. And as far as I know, that was the most used submachine gun during the World War II. But I may be wrong. Once again. Alright, it seems to be working. And I think I shouldn't really play with it anymore. So, yeah, probably we will need to put it down, not near the shell. And yeah, we'll probably need to tell some officials about our find. Police, army, whatever, I'm not sure for now. Well, this is getting more and more interesting. Let's see what else we can find in there. Alright, let's continue. That was a very nice throw. And also, yeah, it's getting dirtier and dirtier in here. It's all because of the algae, water. Like, I'm almost slipping already. But I have to continue. I want to find something interesting. Alright, I feel like I got something. And this thing is pretty heavy. I need to try to... It slipped. Jeez, it slipped. Where did I feel it? Somewhere there. Alright. Okay. Here it is. It's stuck at the bottom. Okay. Alright. I need to do it one more time. It was here. No, it wasn't. Here. I got it. Alright. It's all covered in algae again. Let's see. What is that? No way. Is that actually... Okay, let me... Oof, this thing is heavy. Oh, jeez. It's heavy. So, as far as I understand, that is a submarine missile. So it was used to shoot enemy submarines or like ships and so on. But there's nothing inside of it, so probably it was used for training, and it doesn't really do anything. So then I guess we can just throw it to the side and nothing's gonna happen, right? Alright, let's see if there is anything. Oh, that's cute. Okay. The bullets. Bullets? Will they explode if I throw them? I don't really think so. Okay. There's a bullet, probably for a sniper rifle. Let's continue. It's getting more and more slippery in here. I need to find a better position. Wait a second. Okay, from here. I feel something on the magnet. This thing is kinda heavy. What can it be though? Alright. Algae again. Oi oi. Oi 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 oi. We need to be super careful with that. Alright, it's hollow. There's nothing there. Yeah. That's a grenade, probably used for training as well, because it's hollow. And there is nothing inside of it. Yep, there is nothing. Just water, probably. Whew. That was scary at first, but that's good that it's not working at all. Otherwise, we would both be severely damaged. And who knows for how long you will be left with no videos about magnet fishing. Nothing bad's gonna happen if I throw it, right? Okay. So many of you guys are wondering, where is Slav? And you keep asking us in the comments. So I talked with Slav about magnet fishing, and he was like, I prefer finding something in the ice when it's frozen and so on and so forth. But I say, like, how? Magnet fishing is much funnier and it's better. But he didn't answer anything, so probably you will see him when it's going to be cold, when we will try and find something in the ice. And actually, let us know in the comments what you like more. You can watch our videos about finds in the ice by visiting this link here. And let us know, what do you prefer, magnet fishing or finding something in the ice? And while I was talking, I feel there's something on my magnet. Okay. What is that? It's like a kind of list of metal or something. Is that a part of it? No, doesn't seem like it. I don't know what that thing is, but, well, the color of this plate, if I may say so, is kind of military. Maybe if I try and straighten it. That was difficult. Let me try again. I'm sliding, actually. All right. So, probably it was a part of a military car. Probably it was a side of it or something like that. But I'm not sure. Maybe you guys can let us know what you think this thing is. It's not an ordinary piece of metal, I'm telling you. It's somehow connected with that military base. Whew. Jeez, I'm tired. But we need to continue. We need to continue. Is it gonna explode if I throw it? Nothing. That's good. Also, guys, do not forget that we are making videos with me using the underwater drone to find something in the water. So you can check the link and see it for yourself. Alright, too many bubbles. Okay, and I feel something on the magnet. It's not easy to get out. Alright. What is that? Is that another shell? Some kind of a... Cannot get it. I need to be very careful with this as well. Jeez. It's... This magnet fishing is killing me. Okay. That's definitely a shell. But I do not really understand how was it used, on what type of machinery. Maybe you guys can let us know. Maybe it was from a tank, or I don't know, submarine or a plane, or from an ordinary rifle. No, not from the rifle. But anyway, we need to be careful with this. And I think we should just put it. Yep, because anytime this thing can explode, and this thing as well. Let's continue. Yep. Alright. Decided to change the direction of the throw a bit. Maybe I'll find something there. I feel the algae moving. There are a lot of them. Whoa. See that? Jeez. Maybe there's something inside of it. Let's see. Alright, let's see. What is that? Another shell or something. Jeez. That's... I think I know what the thing is. That's an airborne mine. So you like load it up to some kind of a weapon and it shoots it into the sky. And then this thing falls like this and explodes. So yeah, that's an airborne mine for sure. That's a pretty nice find, but very dangerous as well. So I'll put it aside. And you know what, guys? Actually, we have received the call from military officials like 5 minutes ago. And they've told us they know already that we found those things and they're coming our way. Well, let's hope for the best. Let's hope that they will be happy with our finds. And let's hope they will praise us, not like lock us. That would be sad. So yeah, guys, keep watching our videos, keep liking our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see each other in the next video of magnet fishing. It was me, Danny. See ya.